Good day, students. We will see in this video how to solve questions regarding chapter 1 functions, subtopics also functions. Given the function fx maps to x square minus 5x plus 6, find a f2. So they want you to find f2. So f2, the object is 2, so we need to find the image. What you do, just replace the object in the place of x, so you get 2 square minus 5, 2 plus 6. So 2 square is 4 minus 10 plus 6. So you get 4 plus 6, 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So it's 0. Okay, we move on. For B, image of negative 5. So we got an object negative 5. They want the image of it. So it's f negative 5. So replace negative 5 in the place of x. So we get negative 5 square minus 5 negative 5 plus 6. So we get 25 plus 25 plus 6. 25 plus 25, 50. 50 plus 6 is 56. And C, f object is k minus 1. So we need to replace in the place of x. So f k minus 1 equals to k minus 1 square minus 5 k minus 1 plus 6. So k minus 1, you need to square it. So k minus 1, k minus 1. Okay, for this one I'll expand. So you get negative 5k plus 5 plus 6. So do the multiplication. So k square minus 1k becomes minus 2k. Negative 1 multiply negative 1, you get plus 1 minus 5k. 5 plus 6 is 11. So simplify that. K square minus 2k minus 5k, you get minus 7k. 1 plus 11 is 12. So that will be the answer. Okay, we move on to the next question. Given the function gx maps to 3x plus 9 and the domain of g is negative 2, 0, 2, find the range of g. Domains mean object, so the range means image. So given the object, we need to find the range. Okay, so we'll do one by one. So our object is negative 2 followed by 0 and last is 2. So I'll just write there the first one, x equals to negative 2. Okay, s equals to negative 2. Where does it maps? So we get g negative 2, 3 negative 2 plus 9. You get negative 6 plus 9, that 3. Okay, so the next one is x equals to 0, g 0. You get 3, replace 0 in the value of x. 0 plus 9. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 9 is 9. And the last one is 2. X equals to 2, g 2, 3 times 2 plus 9, 3 times 2, 6 plus 9 is 15. So we got our images, but they ask you to find the range. So you can just write there range equals to, in bracket, so negative 2 corresponds to 3, 0, 0 corresponds to 9, 2 corresponds to 15, 3, 9, 15. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, move on to the next question. Given, hopefully you can see the question. Yeah. Given the function gx maps to 3 minus 1 over 2x, find the range of g for the domain negative x more than or equals to negative 4, less than or equals to 6. Okay, so they got a x in a range, so we need to find the range for g. For this one, I will draw a graph to simplify the understanding of answering this question. So I'll just draw a graph maybe here, and I'll rewrite the equation. It becomes gx equals to 3 minus 1 over 2x. Okay, we need to find some points on the graph so that we can plot the graph. Okay, what are the points? That's critical. You need to know which points you need to plot on the graph. I will start with, maybe I'll take the borders of the range. So it's -4 and 6x. So I'll replace that. X equals to -4. So gx equals to 3 minus 1 over 2. -4, you get 3, simplify 2 plus 2 is 5. So x is -4, gx is 5. I label this axis, the y-axis, as gx. I label the x-axis as x. So our x is -4, our gx is 5. So somewhere here it's -4, and it's somewhere there it's 5. Okay, so you can just draw a dotted line maybe. So that will be our first point. Okay, the next is I'll try to do for x equals to 6. Find the gx. So 3 minus 1 over 2, 6. Okay, sorry, I need to replace the values of x. This is 6. 3 minus 3, that becomes 0. Okay, so x equals to 0. X equals to 0. Sorry, x equals to 6. Gx is 0. So x equals to 6 somewhere here maybe. Gx is 0. So I'll plot this here. And this place is 6. Okay, this is a straight line graph because the power of x is 1. So it's a straight line. So I can draw the line. Maybe it will help me to have a picture. Okay. So what the question is asking? The question is asking what is the range of gx. Find the range of g when the domain is x is more than less than -4 or less than equals to 6. So the range of x is between -4 and 6. So what is the range of gx corresponding to this? So -4 to 6 is in between this. Okay, so in between this. So all this area is -4 to 6. So they want to know what's the range of gx. Where does the gx lies between this shaded area? So our gx is, the highest is -5, the lowest is 0. So gx is between 0 to -5. So the range of gx or maybe I'll write in the center, it's much more easier. Gx is more than or equals to 0, less than or equals to 5. Okay, so for the what's inequality sign we need to use, just follow this. If it says more than and equals to, so you will also have to add the equals to. If there is no equals to, then just omit the equals to. Okay, so this will be the answer. Thank you. See you again in the next video.